Okay, we're getting more snow. Like, we just got another 4 inches, and the deer feeder is all stuck up, and all the deer are they're fighting. They're getting mad. They want it. And apparently, I just walked into a drift. But luckily, I brought my oar to get through the drift, and I'm going to use it to knock the corn out. So let's go check. Here we are. There it is. Look at all that corn stuck. Okay. Oh, the oar is perfect. Now YouTube can feed my deer again. Super chats. $10 says it gets stuck again in the morning because it's gonna snow some more. Oh dear. Oh, they're feeding. Oh yeah. Oh, it's so crunchy. The deer are gonna love it. Thank you, YouTube. Thank you.